In the next minutes, I'm going to talk about the TMA Q1, which actually I have done it before, but I will mainly demonstrate how it runs and caution a few details. Many of you have submitted the solution. Noted that you can still submit newer solution until end of midnight tomorrow. So you can consider to refine your solutions if you want to. It's not mandatory, but it's important to show the trace of the run of the program as required by the TMA. Some of the solution I saw is without a trace of run. So this demonstration is trying to show you how it looks like, and if you have not attached your run, please consider doing so. But remember, you can resubmit only uh, until midnight. Okay, so this is the solution for TMA Q1 as it's worked out. Uh, then you can run the main here uh, to the program, and this is basically when you run, it will be something like this, and you can make a booking, enter customer ID as we did last time. I'm just going to pull out some of the record from the uh, from the our TMA assignment. Uh, for example, Peter Tan here has a customer ID of such, so I'll enter it. Then after it is successful, all the vehicles will be listed as those that listed in table 2. As you can see here, let me adjust the screen a bit to get to the right sizing. Okay, yep, all right. So all the vehicles are listed now here. Okay, let me close it. Okay, passenger. So now you can select, for example, Nissan airline to be booked. Okay, let's say. Then the selected model is printed out here from the vehicle information here, basically. Yeah, print out this Nissan airline, you know, 8-seater capacities as well as the rental per day. Then booking, enter the day of the booking. The collection day actually is supposed to be, let's say, 2 days later, which will be 20th 04/16. Then enter the number of days of rent, let's say 10 days. Okay, then after all these customer vehicle and the collection dates, okay, it's not date of booking, it's date of collection, it's all enter. Then it will show that successfully added booking with ID 1. Okay, and then you can list the booking 3, which then you can say booking ID 1 with the all the booking information first, and then with the including the total amount, and then followed by the customer, which is Peter Tan, address, contact number, followed by uh, and also his the driving license class that he has obtained, and then after that the vehicle information. So you will print out the booking information with the customer's information as well as the vehicle information in detail, as well as the total amount of the rent. Then of course, as we know, we can make a booking, and then they say customer coming back here, Gloria C is trying to book. Okay, Gloria C. Again, all the vehicles will be listed, or five of them. One, two, three, four, five. Uh, then they say Gloria is at first attempt is trying to book Nissan Irvan. Okay, five. Okay, you need to go, again go through the routine of entering the collection date, 2 days later, and also 10 days. But now this time, there's an error message. Sorry, you do not have the relevant class of driving license. That means that in the booking process itself, to make the booking process itself, the drive license type of the customer is checked against the driving license required for the vehicle. So for the Nissan Irvine, vocational driving license is required. But Gloria C, the customer doesn't have such driving license capability, so that's why it is not booked. It's not successful. But if Gloria sees in the second attempt trying to book something, oh, sorry, okay, there's an error. Okay, okay, then I cannot do it. Okay, I will have to recover from the crash. Okay, just now it crashed, but now I resume again. So let's put in Gloria C's custom ID. Okay, then the car to choose. This time, let's say we want to choose a Toyota Camry, right? And again, the booking day is 201, okay, and 10 days. Now this time, it's possible, and then there'll be successful with booking ID 2, because Toyota Camry requires only the license, driving license type 3, which Gloria C has. So there's no problem. So at the moment, you can list the booking, which then it will display booking ID 1 and booking ID 2 with the corresponding information. Then, of course, let's say we cancel the booking and the option 2. We have tried the option 1 and option 3, okay? Option menu 1 to make the booking, and uh, uh, option 3 to list the booking. Now you need to try the cancel booking number 2. Then the booking ID, let's say we cancel booking ID number 1. Uh, Enter the customer ID for verification, and booking ID 1 is made by Peter Tan. So we need to type in this particular ID, then it will be successful. Okay, so the cancel is successful. Then if you list the booking again, number 3, which would then show you only booking ID 2 because booking ID 1 has been canceled, and then you can quit. So I hope you can show traces as above of your run. Okay, then I would like to show you the some further detail of the the program. Okay, because in our last in our TMA, our our question, it does give you a class diagram. Okay, but uh, okay, note I want to go through these class diagram in further details. As you can see, but of course this class diagram is not complete because there should be a apps class that wrap all these cars together, and that is what I want to show you here in this particular class diagram, which is essentially the same. It just but it does contain uh, the it does contain the the app class called Q1, right? So you can see the Q1 has mainly uh, five, one, two, three, four, five, six method. Okay. Uh, this C stands for constructor. So it's a constructor for for Q1, and the constructor, uh, and then there is a main method, which is all the application will be in, and then there's a display menu method, which runs this part first, as we can see this menu here. All right, this menu part. Okay, and display menu, and after that, depending on what you choose, okay, then you will go into make the booking, okay, and pass it in the car rental company, this whole thing as a class, as well as if it is number one, number two is to list the booking, and number three is to, sorry, number two is to cancel the booking. Cancel the booking is here. Then uh, the list the booking, list the booking is here. Or take the car rental company, this particular class, uh, okay, or originally in our this particular car rental class as an input, right? So as an input, yeah, okay. So um, then the another thing is init car rental. The init car rental is actually during the constructor of the question number one, you will call the uh, init program, okay? Because that's where the uh, okay, sorry, the it's called actually not in the constructor, but in the so-called init program. The constructor for Q1 is null. It doesn't have to have any uh, constructor per se. Okay, so init is basically to populate the customer uh, database and the vehicle database. Okay, according to our table uh, table um, one and table one and table two, right? So you need to initialize the customer record and initialize the vehicle database. I mean here in the init, so that uh, the it is ready to be used later on in the running of the program. The most important thing then we will come down to car rental here, the car rental company here. Uh, the important thing is this car rental company has a array list of booking as well as customers and vehicle, right? So the constructor of the car rental company basically uh, initialize these array list. You know, it's um, okay. So once it is initialized, okay, then we can do some further processing. It is in the uh, in this Q1, you call the initializer of a car rental company, the constructor is called, okay, it's not defined here, but it is called this method. And so when in this and the car rental company, this variable after it has been objects, once it's initialized, once it's constructed, it's empty, but then it will be initialized with some content in the init method. Okay, so that's where, and the initialization is basically to add to the list array that is declared here, uh, add to the list array of the various record uh, from the table. Okay, so there will be constructor of a customer and then added to the list array of the car rental company that contains the customer. Similarly, here you will initialize, you call the constructor of the vehicle and add to the list array of the car rental company so that these two table is initialized. Of course, booking is not initialized because it is during the uh, so-called make booking where that the booking is actually happen. And if you look at the details of the make booking, you can find that actually there's a method here which initialize, okay, in the car rental company, initialize the booking, okay? And of course, the make booking and make booking has the same name, and this is the what we call the method. Let me blow it up a bit. This method overloading. Make booking the same name, but has a different signature. The make booking here, being the first level, it will ask for all the details of the booking. Okay, then individually, it will then call the constructor to add to the list array of bookings uh, with the corresponding bookings, right? As you can see that this rental company also has list vehicles, okay, which is call when making a booking. Because remember, after initialize, you can list the vehicle so that uh, the booking can be complete after finding the customer. And like finding the customer, there are two search methods. One is search the uh, customer. Okay, this one take a string. Again, this is a method overloading, which the signature is different, but the name is the same. Okay, again, also add, also overloaded with uh, vehicle and customer. Okay, you can add vehicle or add customer uh, to the uh, uh, car rental company. Okay, and this is called in the init so that you can add the uh, initialized table into this. Okay, so again, init will call these two methods here. All right, and then when you do make a booking, you will search the customer based on, you will ask for the search, ask customer's ID, and then you will search for a customer and return whether to verify. This search will verify whether the customer exists. And if it exists, then you will list the vehicles. Okay, these are used by, for example, make bookings. Okay, and then the uh, search for the booking is used during the, remember, the cancel bookings. It will ask you which booking you want to cancel, and then you will search there, and then it will then so-called remove the booking here, right? Okay, so this is the how the various methods work together to orchestrate the function of cancel booking. Of course, then if you have list bookings, what you will do is you will call the list, sorry, the list booking here, list booking, which will be used to display uh, the booking, right? So that's where these methods are used here. Okay, so I hope this additional explanation give you uh, some more additional clue how to do it. I hope it doesn't confuse it, but if you have any questions, please do ask me. Uh, Remember, we do pass you the seminar 3.5 package, which is a miniature of the display methods, okay, because the miniature of the Q1 class. The Q1 class refers to the TMA Q1 class. Okay, so this seminar 3.5 give you some sort of skeleton. Of course, if you run this particular uh, main, it produces something similar, but it doesn't have all the functions. But it allows you to, enter the Gregorian dates and so on. So if you have the enter the dates, you can try it out. Collect the day. Okay, is this and today is this. Uh, the Gregorian method day handling is in the source code of Q1 of Seminar 3.5, so you can refer to it at least to get you started on how the Q1 should be like. Then of course later on you need to rely on the class diagram, uh, which I attached here to the TMA Q1 PPT. So I will upload a new version of this one, QMA PT1, so you can refer to slide number 6. The previous slides is what I covered already for to read together with this recording. Okay, so I hope you can find this one useful, and if you have not done QMA Q1, you can try to make use of what the pointers here, additional information, try to make it work. Thanks.